Before going to automatic payment program configurations, setting verifications, we need to do some small modifications. Go to /n SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transactions, outgoing payments, automatic outgoing payments, payment method /bank selection for payment program. Go to setup bank determination for payment transactions. Select position, enter our company code FI00, select the row, double click on ranking orders, new entries. Here we need to select our payment method which we created, O, and the currency INR, ranking order 1, and we need to select the house bank, SBI, State Bank of India, enter. So now see here, once you enter the payment method, currency, ranking order, you cannot edit or you cannot change this data. You can able to change only the house banking informations. Save, continue. You can assign multiple payment methods, ranking order 2, 3, 4 like that. System will verify one by one. We have only one payment method, so just enter and save the data. Go to bank accounts, new entries. Here we need to select house bank, SBI, State Bank of India, payment method O, currency INR, then select account ID. There are two accounts under the State Bank, vendor payment, salary account. I am going to select vendor payment, SBI 1, and bank sub account. So I am going to select bank account 1 lakh, then save the data. Go to available amounts, new entries. Here we need to select the house bank. So then account ID SB1. So days, number of days I am going to enter, for example 999, currency INR, available for outgoing payment, schedule incoming payments. So in real time, the original bank account in a client company need to be updated here. So for masking, now I am just entering 999, then save the data. This is for only the masking value, the temporary value. So then go to back. The next step, before going to automatic payment program, so we need to verify the manual payment. So first we are going to enter the vendor invoice. Go to SAP, enter the T code /NF-43, enter vendor invoice. So here we can select the document date, posting date, document type KR, the default document type. What is meant by KR? So KR is nothing but supplier invoice. Posting period 3, company code FI00, currency INR. So as per the Indian financial year, June is the third posting period, because in Indian financial year 2025 start with April. Scroll down, first line item posting key 31. So what is meant by 31? 31 is nothing but vendor invoice. Go to select the vendor 1, enter. So here we can enter the amount 5,500, vendor invoice. Next line item posting key 40, debit entry. So here I am going to select company code, purchasing account, enter the same amount 5,500, or you can put star symbol, which means system will assign the same amount which we entered in the previous line item. Vendor invoice, then go to header document, simulate. So now the net balance 0, save the document. The document 190003 was posted in company code FI00. So what is the next step? View the vendor line item. So the T code is /n FBL1N. Go to SAP /n FBL1N, enter vendor line item display. In the screen you can see whatever the pending line item available in our vendor. So here you can select the supplier account, from and to account. If you want to select multiple suppliers or multiple vendor, you can select from and to number, the vendor number. If you want to see the vendor line item for the entire company, no need to select any supplier accounts. Enter only the company code. Under the line item selections, there are three areas: status, open items, cleared items, all items. First, I am going to remove the date. I want to see open items. So select open items. Under the type, normal item, special GL transactions, noted items, parked item, customer item. I am going to select normal items. The other types we will see later on. So then execute. So we have only one document is pending which we created now, 19003. So 5500. So the document is due. Step number 3, post outgoing payment. T code /n F-53. Go to SAP for post outgoing payments /n F-53. Enter post outgoing payments. Enter the document date, posting date, document type KZ. What is meant by KZ? KZ means vendor payment. So we are clearing the vendor payment. Posting period 3, company code FI00, currency INR. So here we have to select the bank account and the invoice amount 5500. So select the vendor by using our company code. Then go to process open items. So this is the document which we entered in F-43 vendor invoice. Select. So now see here net balance 0. Just to save the documents. So document 150003 was posted in company code F500. Now once again go to see the vendor line item, open items, enter company code, execute. So now see the informations, no item selected, see long text, which means there is no line item bending. So the bending document has been posted. So this process is manual process. So now we can go for automatic payment programming APP process. So under the automatic payment program, configuration is completed. Under the end user testing, first we have to enter the vendor invoice in F-43. Go to SAP. In SAP implementation project, in real-time project, we need to do different type of testings by using different parameters. So at the time, we cannot create every time the new accounts, the new documents, entering all the informations to create new documents every time. It will take a lot of time. To avoid that, we can use shortcut. So we can copy the existing document, go to F-43, click on post with reference. So here you have to select the document number which we created 190003, company code FI00, fiscal year 2025. Enter. So the same document you can copy, or if you want to change the amount, so here you can change the amount in both line items and then save. Now see here 19004 document will be posted in company code FI00. So like this you can copy the existing document. So let's go to do once again. So I am copying one more document. So I have created two documents now, 19004, 19005. So what is the next step? So view the vendor line item, go to /n FBL1N. So enter the company code, open items, remove the date and then execute. So see here we have created two documents. We have copied the existing document and we have created two documents. One is 6,000, another one is 6,700 rupees. So total value 12,700. So now let's go to run the automatic payment program. Run APP. T code is /n F110. Go to SAP. Go to parallel screen /F110. Enter automatic payment transactions status. So here we need to enter the current date 14/06/2025. So then Here we can enter any 4-digit identification number. For example, I'm going to enter FI11. Then go to parameters. Here we need to enter the document posting date, document entered up to, both are current date. I'm selecting current date. In real time project we can enter maybe up to 10th June or 8th June or 12th June. Document entered up to. So here we can mention the company code FI00. So payment method, our payment method is O. Continue. Next posting date. So let's say I'm going to enter 16/04/2025, or we can enter 15/4/2025. Then here we have to select our vendor. Just copy the vendor, go to additional log, enter the date properly. So then go to additional log, paste from and to vendors, both are only one vendor. So just enter the same vendor from and to. Under the required logging type, select 1, 2, 4. Due date check, payment method selection if not successful, line item of the payment documents. So then go to status. Do you want to save the data first? Yes. Parameters have been entered. Go to schedule proposal, the automatic payment program proposal. So here you can fix the date and time. So once you fix the date and time, system will run automatically the APP. So I want to run immediately. So click on start immediately, then continue. Payment proposal is running. So you can refresh, click on status, which means refresh. So payment proposal has been created. So now go to display proposal. So here you can see this is our supplier. Once you see the type, message type is exception. Exception means we have some error in the documents. So what is error? Let's go to right side. So here payment method is missing. Payment method is not available and banking information is not available, house bank ID. So that is the reason this document is coming under exceptions. So we can edit manually the payment method. Go to back, click on edit proposal. Here I'm going to select all accounting clerks. Continue. Double click on the line item. So there are 2 documents which we posted under the supplier 136. So now select one document, first line item, click on change. Here go to reallocate, select our payment method O, house bank, SBI, vendor payment SB1, continue. Then select the second line item, change. So no need to select. Once you select one document, so system will assign all the documents. So just continue and then save first. Changes have been saved. Then go to back. So now see here, you can see the green color. This is called payment. Now the payment has been created. So then go to back. Payment proposal has been edited. Now we can run the payment schedule. So click on payment run. So here also you can fix the schedule. So I want to start immediately. Click on start immediately. Then continue. Payment proposal is running. Click on status. Posting orders 1 generated, 1 completed. So go to display payment run log. So here you can see the document has been posted for the value 12,700. So this is our document number which we posted under the company code FI00. So here you can see the total amount posted for the vendor 5500136, vendor 1. Go to parallel screen. We have 2 documents, but we posted the total value 12,700 for the specific vendor 136, 5500136. Sometimes the vendor will ask separate payments for each documents. So if you are clearing the document, 10 document, 20 documents, so the vendor cannot identify which document payment is cleared, which document is pending. It is difficult to see the difference. So sometimes vendor will ask I need document wise payment clearing. I don't like the particular day or the total amount clearing. So now how to change the settings from total payment run for specific vendor to each document payment run. Now let's go to back. So I'm going to modify few datas under the configurations. Go to /n SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, business transactions, outgoing payments, automatic outgoing payments, payment method / bank selection for payment program. We need to go set up payment methods per company code for payment transactions. Execute. Under the company code FI00, select our payment method O. So here grouping of items. Here you can select single payment for marked items, which means on the same day if we have 5 documents waiting for payment, system will create each document separate payment line items or payment per due day, or the same 5 document on a particular day you can create single payment, then extended individual payment. So I am going to select single payment for marked items, which means each document system will generate one payment line items. Save, continue. Now we made some changes in the configurations. So let's go to parallel screen. I'm going to create 2 more documents. Go to F-43, go to post with reference, enter existing document number, company code, fiscal year, enter. No amount tolerance range entered for company code FI00. So we have to ensure the tolerance group. So go to open item clearing difference, assign users to tolerance group. So remove the tolerance group and then save. So when we are creating our tolerance group, we are not entering any tolerance group ID. Just keep it as empty and we can create by using our company code tolerance group ID. That's why against my username I am removing this tolerance group. So now let's go to F-43, post with reference, enter all the details, enter, change the document value 8000, save. So 19006 has been posted. So we can create one more document 9000. So document 19007 was posted. So we are copying the existing document and we can create 2 documents 006 007. So now let's go to see the vendor line item display. See here we have created 2 documents. One is 8000, another one is 9000. Total value is 17,000. So now as per the configuration settings, when we are running APP, automatic payment program, system will generate payment for each line item, which means each document. System won't generate for the total value 17,000. System will generate 8,000, 9,000 separate documents. Go to /n F110, automatic payment transactions. So run date is common. So identification we need to change FI12 and go to parameters. Instead of entering every time all the parameters, go to copy parameters. So here we can copy the existing parameter. What is our existing parameter? FI11. Then continue. Now you can see the existing parameter copied automatically. Go to status, save the data, payment has been entered. Go to proposal creations, create a proposal, start immediately, continue, refresh. Now the payment proposal has been created. Go to display proposal. Still it is exemptions. Why? Because the payment method is missing. Go to back, edit proposal, all accounting clerks, double click, select the line item, change. So here I am going to change the payment method manually and then save. go to back. So now payment has been generated, but it shows only one line items. We cannot see both line item. Go to back. So go to display proposal log. Okay, let's see. Go to payment run, execute. Posting order, one generated, one completed. Go to see the details. Now the same 17,000 is posted. Total value for the vendor has been posted. So let's go to back to verify the configurations. Okay, so we can create new document. Let's see. Maybe due to old documents, system will not allow. Enter all the details. Save. We can copy this document and change. Post again. So two document has been generated, 008, 009. So now let's go to FB vendor line item display, FBL1N. So total value 10,100, 5,000, 5,100. So let's go to run once again. Let's see the result. FI13 parameters, copy the existing parameter. Run the proposal, display proposal. So go to header edit, go to proposal, delete the proposal which we created, then go to parallel screen, FBL1N. So here you can enter the payment method by selecting document one by one. Go to edit. So here you can add the payment method, or select all the document, go to mask change. So here you can add the payment method O, select the house bank, SBI, execute changes. So changes have been saved. So how can I know the payment method is added or not? So we need to change the layout. Click on this change layout. So here, where is payment method, the hidden field, or here you can see the payment method field. Select the payment method. Here I am going to select, after document type I need this payment method. So select the field, payment method is selected. So then copy. So now see here, payment method is selected. So save this layout. So now the layout has been saved. Go to refresh. So see here, payment method applied for both document O. So now let's go to parallel screen. I am going to run the proposal once again. Start immediately. Proposal has been created. So display the proposal. So now see here, before it was only one line item, the total value for the both document. So now we have two line item, which means two documents system will generated for the payment. Two line item, first line item, second line item. We have two document, so system will generate two payment line items. So see here, this is payment method and account ID, house bank informations added. So now go to back, schedule payment run, start immediately, execute. Now postings, orders, 2 generated, 2 completed. Go to display the payment run log. So see here, 5,000 and 5,100. So each document posted with the different line items, 2003, 2004. So based on the vendor requirement, we can proceed. So now let's go to verify the another settings. For example, I am going to create 2 more document. Post with reference, enter. So here I am going to change the posting date, 16, enter, save. Document has been created. Post with reference. I am going to create one more document, save, 10 and 11, we have created 2 documents. So go to refresh the vendor line item display. So now see here, you can see only one document 11. The document number 8 and 9 has been cleared. Document has been posted under the APP automatic payment run. So here you can see only one document. Why? Go to back. So here we mentioned open at key date only 14. Just remove the date, then execute. So now see here, you can see both document. One is 5,100, another one is 5,200. Total value 10,300. So now select both document. So to select all the document, we can use F5 in keyboard. Then all the document will be selected. If you want to undo the selections, click on F6. So now go to mask change. So enter the payment method and house bank. Execute changes. Unable to change every document. So which means system won't allow. Just refresh. Change the layout. Which is our layout? This is our layout. Yeah, both document payment method is applied. So now let's go to automatic payment run. So the run date is same, F514. Parameters, copy the existing parameter, no need to enter every time. F513, continue, go to status, save, create proposal, start immediately, continue. So now see here, system generated only one document. Why? Double click. So here you can see only the second document 11190011. Why we cannot see the document number 10? The document number is entered 16th, which means the posting date for document number is 16. Okay, so the next posting date will be 15. So which means it is coming under the next payment. So here document entered up to 14th June. System will allow 14th June only. So now let's go to, so run the payment run, see the payment details, then go to parallel screen, refresh. So see here, the second document has been cleared. This document still it is pending because the document is not due. See here, so due date is only 16th. So then go to back. Now I'm going to run F515 parameters. So here I'm going to enter document entered up to 16. Payment method O, company code. Next posting date I'm going to enter, let's say 17. Then select the supplier, enter all the parameters, then save. The parameter has been entered. Then go to create proposal, start immediately, execute. Proposal has been created. Go to display the proposal. You can see another line item has been created because we entered in the parameter, we selected document entered up to 16th June. So the document number 10 is coming under 16th June. That's why system will allow to run the payment program for this document also. So one document is generated. So see here 5,100, that one also posted. Go to parallel screen, refresh. So now item selected. So both documents will be cleared. So as of now, we are seeing different scenarios for single vendor. How to generate the payment line items by document level, one document, one payment line items, or you can generate total payment line items, total value for vendor level. We can generate the payment run for vendor level, which means system will calculate all the pending documents, total value, the cumulative value. So, and the next condition is how to post the documents in different date based on the payment run. System will choose the documents. So the next conditions, we need to enter multiple vendors. In real-time project, there are hundreds of documents available in the particular company code. So once you run payment program for multiple vendors, how the transaction is going to happen? As of now, whatever the documents we posted only for one vendor. Now I'm going to post the documents for multiple vendor. Let's see the result. First we have to create the document for both vendor. Go to F-43. So before that I'm going to enter the conditions. So totally we saw 8 conditions. The 8th one, now we need to see how to reverse the payment run. 8th one, let me show you. Go to SAP. So we need to enter the T code /n FBRA reset cleared items. Enter the document number, company code, fiscal year, go to accounts. So here we need to enter the document number which we posted. Go to parallel screen. So this is our document number 2006. So here I am going to enter 2006. So document value 5100. So then company code, fiscal year, go to accounts. So the particular document vendor is 136. Then go to items. So we have only one line item in this document which we posted. So then save. Only reset and reverse, cancel. So I am going to click on reset and reverse. Select the reversal reason. For example, wrong price and conditions. You can select any one of the reversal reason. Just continue. So clearing, reset is completed. Document 2007 was posted in company code F500. So now let's go to FB L1N vendor line item display. So execute. So see here, the document which we posted is reversed automatically. So then go to back. So we can reset or reverse one more document. So for example, okay. So in this document 2002, total value 17,000, which means 2 document posted on single line items. So now let's go to enter the document number 2002, company code, fiscal year, go to items. So see here, totally we have 2 line items. Document number 6 and 7, 8,000, 9,000, total value 17,000. Save, reset and reverse, continue. You can only reset or you can do reset and reverse both. So document resetted and reversed once again. So now go to parallel screen, FBL11, remove the date and then select open line item, execute. So see here, both document will be reversed, 8,000, 9,000, 5,100, total value 22,100. So totally 8 conditions we verified.